Good morning, citizens of Nigeria. I remain your loyal boy, Kodascope. So right now, many of you guys have been messaging me, telling me that how can we be able to upload online banking? Okay, how we can be able to be uploading on online banking. So what you need to do is, like I told you before, if you're watching, if you are not a person who start watching my video, you'll find out that at the beginning of the tutorial we're talking about on how to upload our, how you are able to upload a front-end site that that you didn't even build from scratch, just for you to extract it using our HT track. So what I want to do now is I'm going to upload a backend of an online banking. So as you can see now, if you watch my previous video, you will see how I was able to upload this particular site here. Okay, so as you can see now, there is no back end of this site because I've already removed the one that I did that time. So I'm still using this particular fine site to upload the back end of the online banking. So as you can see now, my database name, my database username is ready. My database is ready. Okay, so my database is ready. You can see now. So what I just need to do is, this is the database I'm using, so I'm going to empty it. Okay, I'm going to empty my database. I'm going to empty my database. Understand? So I'm going to empty everything that is here. I'll click on it and I'm going to drop it. Okay, I want it to look empty, like I want it to look empty because I want to use it. This one is the previous one, so it's empty now. Okay, is empty. So what I need to do now is, I've already created a subdomain already, which I title forest. Okay, so I'll go straight to my file manager to upload my backend. Now remember, you can create separate subdomain. Okay, you can create a separate subdomain. That one is in the case the backend, the particular backend you are uploading does not have a place, does not have a way to off the front end. You can just decided to create a subdomain. Okay, you decided to create a subdomain. So I don't know whether this backend has a way to off it, so I will just try it first. Okay, I'll try it first. So the same process we upload our backend broker, that's the same place, the same way you also upload it. So and I told you that for the very first time, if you want to upload your website, go straight to what? Public HTML. Public HTML, that is the place you upload it. Okay, but if there's someone's site already there, you can create a subdomain, to upload. You can also go to the YouTube to browse on how to how to buy a domain, in case you don't understand the way to purchase a domain. The hosting provider I'm using is a light hosting, so you can go to the internet and search on how to upload, how to buy a domain using the light hosting. It will show you on how to do it. Okay, so since this is the place I'm using, so I'm going to upload my backend script. So I click on upload. So when I click on upload, so I'm going straight to where I put my, I think there's a particular place I put my script. Understand? There's a particular place I put this script I downloaded. Okay, this is my online banking. So I'll click on it and I will upload it. So make sure that this thing shows green. So make sure the thing shows green. Okay, just make sure the thing shows green. I repeat, for a very first time, and if you are creating a domain for the very first time, what you need to do is upload your file inside the public HTML folder. Okay, the only time you are going to create a subdomain is when the particular backend you are using does not have a way to off its front end. That is time you use the subdomain. Okay, so if for example you meet a particular backend that does not have a way to off the front end, what you need to do is your front end should be inside the public HTML. So when your front end is inside the public HTML, you create a subdomain where you will now upload only the backend. Okay, so the moment the both of them is active, what you need to do, you go straight to your cPanel, go to where they write redirect. You can just type it on the search, this thing, redirect. When you click on redirect, you will see where they said the site you want, the site you want. Then you click on the site, then they will not tell you where you want to redirect it to. You just type the main link, which is the major domain name in the place you want to redirect to. So the moment somebody click on the backend, instead of the backend to take it to the backend domain, it will just take them to the main domain. Okay, so as you can see, the thing has changed to green. Okay, so you click on what, back to your folder. Okay, so this is it. So now, meanwhile, for us to do something now, we need to check. You understand? Because this is very, very important. You just need to check whether this thing, you can see that it's not inside a folder. So that is the reason I said you should check. Okay, so you need to create a folder. Okay, you need to create a folder. To create a folder is very easy. What you need to do, you just look for where the right folder here. You type the folder. You can just type it the back end, then you click on what, create. Okay, this is it here. So what you need to do, you remove this guy. Okay, you move it to inside the back end. Okay, you move it inside the back end. I think it's inside the back end. You right click the back end, then what, extract, just like that. Okay, you extract, so the thing will just spread inside. Okay, just refresh, like reload. So this is it. Okay, now you go straight to environmental file. You can see it, this is the environmental file. That's why I told you guys that if you did not see the environmental file, you go straight to config to check database name. But now since there's an environmental file, you right click the environmental file, edit. Okay, remember, if you are watching my previous video, you see I was able to create a database name. So I'm just going to fill in the information. So the place of user, I'm going to change it to be what, this place of database name to this guy, then database username to this guy, then the aspect of password. Okay, I'm going to change the password and replace it with this guy that is here. Okay, then the name of my link of my website, the link of my website, I think this is the link of my website. Okay, this is the link of my website, so I will paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. And the name of my site now, I think I'll give it another name. Let's call it Coda Scope Bank. Okay, so I think this is good for now. So I'm going to what, save. Okay, so when I save, the next thing to do is for me to upload the SQL file. Okay, I will upload the SQL file. I think I downloaded the SQL file. This is the SQL file. Okay, I'm going to upload it. So this is the SQL file. The moment it shows successful, I'll just, for me to just, okay, I show successful, so I'll just say /what, back end. So I press enter. So as you can see, that the back end is now active. Now you can see now that maybe, for example, now I don't want to use this front end. That is the time I will now do the redirect that I'll be telling you guys. Okay, I'll tell you the indirect, I'll be telling you guys. So this is on how to upload your website, your online banking. So you can now sign up. Okay, you can sign up. You can sign up to the site. You can sign up. If you want to log in, you can log in to the site to check. Okay, you can log in to the site. So, but first of all, maybe this is the only site I needed. This is the only page I needed, and I don't need the front end. I don't need this place. I only need the situation, which is this guy. But I want a situation whereby anytime I click on the back end, instead of it to take me to the front end, it should just take me to this place. That is the time I will now move. That is the time I have now moved the what do you call it? That is time I will now create another subdomain. Okay, I will create another subdomain. Then when I create another subdomain, then I will now search for redirect. Okay, I will search for redirect here, this place here. I will search for redirect. You see this place for domain here, I'll click on it. So if I maybe the domain that I create my backend is what, text, which is this guy. So I will now say it should redirect